Hey guys, it's Christina from Christina's Lifestyle. Today I'm going to make for you a berry smoothie. It's super fast to make and healthy. There are basically berries and spinach in the recipe, and then we'll be adding in a few additional ingredients. It's super fast and you can make it in the morning before you head out for your day. So to get started, I add 1.5 cups of almond milk or whatever milk you prefer to the blender. Then I add in 2 cups of spinach, which is really 2 handfuls. Then I add in 1.5 cups of frozen berries. I prefer using frozen berries wherever possible because it will make your shake more thick and you won't have to add any additional ice. Today, my berries that I'm using are strawberries, blackberries, and blueberries. And I really like these berries because they have a very low sugar content. Now you could add in a half of a banana if you would like. It will make the shake a little more sweet, but I find that the berries are perfect. Then I add in 1 tablespoon of almond butter. Now I'm going to put my lid on. I'm using the Vitamix and it has the tamper, and I always use the tamper because the smoothie usually gets stuck. I started out on a low speed. And then I go up to a higher speed. Oh, today it didn't get stuck. That was great. So then at this point, I like to add in some chia seeds because I find that if I add them in at this stage, they don't get stuck to the side as much. And I also like to add in the grass-fed protein powder. And then I blend it up on the low speed. And one more time on the high speed just to make sure it's all mixed up. As you can see, it took on a very beautiful color. You can't even tell there's spinach in it, and I guarantee you won't even know that there's spinach in the shake when you try it. So now you can pour it into 2 cups and share it with the one that you love the most. This is a great way to start your morning off right, or as a snack during the day. It is a delicious smoothie that is filled with antioxidants, vitamins and minerals, fiber and protein that you are going to love. Enjoy. Delicious.